If someone told you a few years ago that you could ride a 650 cubic centimeter motorcycle, shift through all the gears, stop, take off again, and never touch the clutch lever, most riders would call it impossible. But Honda has officially changed the game in the United States. The new Honda CB650R E-Clutch has arrived, and riders across the country are lining up at dealerships to experience it. This is one of the biggest leaps forward in real-world motorcycle technology. And once you understand how it works, you'll realize why this bike has become such a hot topic. The 2024 and 2025 Honda CB650R models sold in the US now come with Honda's e-clutch system as standard equipment. This isn't some optional upgrade or experimental feature. Honda committed fully to the system and announced that all US models would include it moving forward. Shipments started reaching American dealerships in the September 2024, and since then, the buzz hasn't slowed down. Riders who have tested the system are calling it the smoothest hybrid between manual and automatic riding they've ever experienced. What makes the e-clutch so interesting is its simplicity. There's still a clutch lever on the handlebar. Nothing looks different on the outside. But inside, Honda has built an electronic system that controls clutch engagement automatically with extreme precision. You can roll up to a red light, slow down to zero, take off again, and shift through all gears without ever squeezing the clutch. Yet if you want manual control, one pull of the lever instantly switches you into traditional riding. You're never locked into one mode. It's riding freedom in the most literal sense. And this isn't some jerky, semi-automatic system. It feels like a high-end quick shifter built right into the bike. Upshifts are crisp, downshifts are smooth, and low-speed riding becomes incredibly easy. No more stalling, no more awkward clutch slips in traffic, no more hand fatigue. Honda designed the e-clutch to help beginners avoid mistakes, but experts are loving it just as much because it makes the ride cleaner, quicker, and effortlessly controlled. Honda's engineering team didn't compromise the feel of the bike either. The CB650R still has that raw, aggressive mid-weight character riders love. The inline-4 engine remains one of the best-sounding motors in its class. Smooth on the highway, punchy in the mid-range, and willing to rev when you want excitement. But now with the e-clutch, the bike feels even more refined. The power transitions are controlled electronically, giving you a seamless connection between throttle and gearbox. It's the same motorcycle spirit, but with less work and more flow. In the United States, the 2025 Honda CB650R E-Clutch has an MSRP of $9,399. That does not include destination charges, which are typically around $600 depending on the dealership. Even with that added cost, the CB650R sits in a very competitive price range for a modern, four-cylinder motorcycle with premium electronics. Add in Honda's reputation for reliability, and it becomes one of the best value 650cc bikes available today. For 2025, the US version comes in a striking color called Pearl Smoky Gray. It's a clean, modern finish with metallic depth, giving the bike a high-end appearance even before you start it. Combined with the Neo-Sports Café styling, those sharp LED lines, the muscular tank, and the classic round headlight, the CB650R stands out without being overly flashy. It's a perfect blend of retro and modern, and the new color gives it an even stronger presence. When it comes to availability, Honda dealerships across the country are now stocking the e-clutch variants. Stores like Wayne Cycle Shop in Virginia, Honda Powersports of Troy in Alabama, SoCal Honda Powersports in California, Honda of Houston in Texas, Champion Honda in New York, and Interstate Cycles in Florida already have units on display. But availability depends heavily on the state and dealer demand, so checking in with your local Honda Powersports showroom is the best way to confirm stock. What makes this motorcycle truly exciting is the experience it delivers. When you're cruising through the city with stop-and-go traffic, the bike feels effortless. When you hit the highway and push through the gears, it feels sporty and confident. And when you carve through twisty roads, the smooth, clutchless transitions let you focus more on the ride and less on gear changes. You're still riding a real motorcycle. Full manual gearbox, full control, but the bike helps you when you want it to. It's like riding with technology that stays invisible until you need it. This is not about making motorcycles easier for beginners only. It's about giving every rider a smarter way to ride. A way that keeps the thrill but removes unnecessary complexity. Honda is setting a new direction for midweight bikes, and the CB650R E-Clutch might be the model that defines the future of everyday riding. If you're planning to upgrade or looking for a machine that blends performance, technology, and Honda's signature reliability, this is one of the best choices in the US market right now. Whether you're a new rider, a seasoned commuter, or someone who loves weekend rides, the Honda CB650R E-Clutch offers something genuinely different. And once you experience that first clutchless shift, you'll understand why this motorcycle is getting so much attention across America.